Hey everyone, Autoace here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're sharing 5 wallet-friendly ways to boost your motorcycle's performance without draining your bank account. These upgrades focus on extracting more power, increasing responsiveness, and even reducing weight, all while keeping costs under control. Let's go! One, upgrade to a high-flow air filter. A superior air filter improves airflow, which in turn enhances combustion efficiency and overall engine performance. A popular choice is the K&N high-performance air filter, renowned for its durability and improved filtration. Estimated price: $40 to $50 per 2,500 to 2,900 Filipino pesos. 2. Install a performance exhaust system. A budget-friendly performance exhaust not only gives your bike a more aggressive sound, but also improves exhaust flow, which can boost power and throttle response. Many riders turn to the ROX Racing exhaust system for its proven benefits and affordability. Estimated price: $250 to $300 per 16,000 to 19,000 Philippine pesos. 3. Add an ECU Tuning Module. Optimizing your engine's fuel mapping through an ECU Tuning Module can unlock additional performance without any mechanical modifications. A trusted option is the Dynotech ECU chip, designed to fine-tune your bike's performance for a smoother, more responsive ride. Estimated price: $140 to $160 per 8,000 to 9,000 Philippine pesos. 4. Switch to high-performance spark plugs. Upgrading spark plugs can improve ignition efficiency and result in a more complete burn of the fuel-air mixture. The NGK Iridium spark plug is a favorite among riders for its longevity and ability to deliver a quick, strong spark that can boost performance. Estimated price: $15 to $20 per 900 to 1,200 Philippine pesos. Install a lightweight Sprocket Kit. Reducing rotational mass and optimizing your gear ratio can significantly improve acceleration and overall responsiveness. A popular upgrade is the Performance Sprocket Kit, designed to be lightweight while offering improved power delivery. Estimated price: $100 to $150 per 5,700 to 8,500 Philippine pesos. Each of these upgrades offers an affordable way to enhance your motorcycle's performance without breaking the bank. Whether you're aiming for a bit more speed, a stronger throttle response, or simply a more efficient engine, these modifications are proven winners among riders looking to get more out of their bikes. Until next time, I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.